Kia ora te whānau, ko Rose Rudolph Aho. I am the Outreach Coordinator for Tātou Vaccination Centre. And I'm just going to do a little kōrero about our Whītiki Whātua team and our Whītiki Whātua whānau who are downstairs supporting everyone who is in isolation and testing positive. The team behind the 0800 number, the 0800 we got this number, is very aware of how important our mihi is. They take it very seriously. And over the first few days, we're only getting maybe 5 calls a day, maybe like two every hour. Now it's about 10 calls every hour. And from then to now, the systems and the processes that we've put in place have really transformed. So downstairs, we've transitioned the vaccination space into a distribution centre. The team have been really enjoying putting all the orders together. We've become like a little warehouse, and they're picking this for that order and picking that for that order, and this whānau need this and this. I mean, a lot of the deliveries, maybe 90% of the deliveries are made same day. So if you're calling up, you're most likely going to get your delivery that same day. And that's a service that, we should be really proud of. The whānau are more than grateful. I know for my own whānau, when we went into isolation, we were so grateful to have a care pack dropped off. At the end of the day, you can only be so prepared. I mean, even working here at the Tātou Vaccination Centre, knowing about COVID, knowing about the processes you need to be putting in place and having a COVID kare, I still didn't do that. My daughter tested positive on our shopping day, so we literally had nothing. And sometimes it's like that for our whānau, and that's why having that 0800 number to call up and say, hey, someone in the house is positive, are we able to get support? And us being able to say yes has been awesome. We love it. We love this mihi. And sometimes these calls can range from low-risk whānau to high-risk whānau. A lot of our kaimahi, they'll have underlying health conditions. And so what we also offer is that our nurses go out there and they check on them and just make sure they're okay. Just checking on their well-being, and if they need to go to hospital, telling them you need to go to hospital. Some of our care packs actually had like vitamin C, strepsils, just all the basic things that you need for when you have the flu. But sometimes you don't always have those on hand or in the house, and so these care packs have been really awesome and just making sure everyone has the basics, especially our Ngāti Whātua whānau. Whānau have done some awesome work in making sure they have everything at their fingertips. And I don't know, I feel myself personally, I feel really proud to be a part of this team. And there's some amazing faces downstairs that I wish you guys could see. Seriously, they put in the hard work every single day. Now, sometimes we would have whānau outside of Auckland actually calling up who need that support, but they aren't able to get it. And so all we've been able to do up until now is refer them. So hearing that we're able to support our whānau outside of Auckland, I'm so glad. I'm so happy about that, because it's all good referring them, but to be able to provide support directly from our team, even better. Because when you're calling out that number, 10 times out of 10, it's someone from Ngāti Whātua. If not, it's someone linked. So it's an outlaw. It's an outlaw. And I tell you what, these outlaws, they work real hard, Tiara included. But at the end of the day, these are whānau calling up and they need that support, and we're more than happy to provide it.